Hey guys, it's me from Bay USA. Before I get to the video started, I should let you guys because I'm like so tired. Oh yeah, and you guys remember I'm from Bay USA, and you guys should go follow me on TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter. And one more thing about it, I forgot. It's Snapchat. So yeah, I don't know why I'm vlogging, but I'm like so tired today. In my makeup, I did not like say anything. Cause today you guys can see like I'm like literally so tired. You never know. I wanna go to a house tour. So today's gonna be a house tour video. Then it's gonna be really exciting, but I don't. Let's show you guys the backyard. I wanna give you, I don't know, like nature. It's like nature vibe, and you have bamboos, and there's a hole, there's a bridge, there's a park, and uh there's there's butt chip, not grass. Okay, my phone. Oh no, why am I battery is so full? Why are you using two phones? Bye guys. So this is the end of the video. I'll put it in the next video and the next clip. So bye guys. Miss you guys. Oh yeah. Bye guys.